Pound USD, now we start with the daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, still we are within this move. Now the question is how high it can go and whether we should look for the sell or buy. Okay, I explained in my last video, if we get a down move, we are more interested, but we are not sure how high it can go and what's the next. Okay, now the thing is how we can trade it. Based on daily chart, we don't have any more information. We don't have any trade setup. We put our trend line here and see how we can trade it based on lower time frame. Okay, if we move to lower time frame, also based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we see how we can deal with this. Okay, whether as long as the price is below this line, that's me here, can we expect the price come to this level, or from here can start the up move, whether come and take reverse or continues. Okay, continue, we are not sure, but now the thing is how we can trade it. Okay, now we want to look into this. We don't have any trade setup based on forward chart, but based on my last video, we have a few trade setup we had. Okay, now the things is first I will talk about my last video. In my last video, we have two options, whether having entry below this, and both of them we get the trade. But as we can see, the trade didn't go very well, and it tag and reverse. Even I explain what we are expecting. If we're going to have entry below this, we want the price sharply move. If this is not moving and tag this low, we take out. Okay, that means no one should be in this trade right now, because when we see the price tag the low, reverse, correct based on lower time frame, we see the price is correcting here. May move to, okay, if we move to 15 minutes, this is where we should take out the trade when we see this move. And even we didn't take out here, when we see the reverse, and that means when we see this move, when the price drop again, this is where we should take out the trade. If we didn't, but the best was here. That's why I explained what we want. We want the price break sharply, continue, and when the price come to this low, as this, if this is not moving, then we take out the trade. Anyway, we didn't, the trade we consider as a break even. That means we didn't have the trade didn't move as what we expected. Now the thing is how we going to trade, what's the next. Okay, now can we put this one in really, I mean, this is can we consider this one as a correction relative to this? That means can we expect for the next move up? Okay, in that case we need to trade the breakout of this. It depends on the traders whether they want to trade for this or not, but for me I won't trade it. Okay, and what I prefer, if the price drop, if I want to look for buy, if the price drop, whether from here or come to this high, give a bigger correction. If the price drop, then I don't expect the price come to this trend line, but if the price drop, at least break this low, then from there I will see. If I get the buy setup, I will look for buy. Okay, but buying from here, I'm not interested right now unless we see some changes. Okay, one more thing. Do we need to look for sell from this correction? We consider still we can expect. The only way, if you want to look for sell, the only times if the price reverse and move up, break this high, we give a bigger correction. Then from there, if we get any sell setup, we look for. That means even if you want to look for sell, we won't sell it here. Let the price break this top, then we look for sell setup. If we get, we trade it. Rather than that, we don't trade. We don't look for sell. And again, from what we have right now, we don't have any trade setup. And in this case, we just follow the chart. We see how we can trade. If I see any trade setup, I will share on YouTube. And again, for those traders, they want to look for buy. It depends on them. But if even they look for buy, they get the buy, they're supposed to know how to manage it. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any changes or any update, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.